हरि बोला पुंडलिकावरधे हरि विठ्ठले श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम पंढरीनाथ महाराज की जय। माऊली श्री ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज की जय। जगद्गुरु तुकाराम महाराज की जय। सर्व संतनों की जय, सर्व साधुओं की जय। पांडुरंग हरि वासुदेव हरि, पांडुरंग हरि वासुदेव हरि, पांडुरंग हरि वासुदेव हरि। विठ्ठल 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 विठ्ठल। अनन्याश्चिन्तयन्तो मां हे जना पर्युपासते तेषां नित्याभियुक्तानां योगक्षेमम् वहाम्यहम्। परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय युगे युगे। आवाहनं न जानामि न जानामि विसर्जनं तस्मात् कारुण्य भावेन रक्ष रक्ष जनार्दन। हे रक्ष रक्ष जनार्दन। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे, 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 श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे। हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा, जिह्वे पिबस्व अमृतमेतदेव जिह्वे पिबस्व अमृतमेतदेव गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति जिह्वे पिबस्व अमृतमेतदेव गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति 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 जिह्वे सदैवं भज सुन्दराणि जिह्वे सदैवं भज सुन्दराणि सत्यं हितं मे परमं वदामि सत्यं हितं मे परमं वदामि आवर्णयेता मधुराक्षराणि आवर्णयेता मधुराक्षराणि गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति जिह्वे रसज्ञे मधुरप्रियासि जिह्वे रसज्ञे मधुरप्रियासि नामानि कृष्णस्य मनोहराणि 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 समस्त भक्तार्ति विनाशनानि समस्त भक्तार्ति विनाशनानि गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति गोविन्द दामोदर माधव गोविन्द दामोदर माधव गोविन्द दामोदर माधव गोविन्द दामोदर माधव रामकृष्ण हरे I am very thankful to Daniel for giving me this opportunity to sing for a cause. From this Ekadashi onwards, I will be singing for the relief of all the people who are suffering today. People have lost their near and dear ones. Some people are already suffering. So, in order to have a peaceful world, in order to come back to normalcy, we all pray to Lord Vitthal, O Vithala, pardon us for whatever sins we all have committed knowingly or unknowingly. Give us back the same environment as it was before, a peaceful atmosphere prevailing, stress-free, nirogi atmosphere. So today, friends, from this Ekadashi onwards, we have decided to pray. Mass prayers definitely work. To pray for each and every person in this world. Ram Krishna Hari. For this, I start with a very beautiful abhang written by Namdev Maharaj, who says कि we are ultimately all of us are in search of Sukham. We want happiness, that's all. For getting this happiness, we undertake various routes, but none of these give us permanent happiness. Namdev Maharaj says, ultimate happiness only rests in keeping your foot, setting your foot at Pandhari. Sukha sati karishi talamala. Our heart is agitated because we want sukha in some form or the other. And how will I get this sukha is what we all are aiming at. Namdev Maharaj beautifully says, all the materialistic objects will never give you permanent sukha. They are all temporary. Once they go out of you, you are miserable. But the permanent happiness is got only when you set your foot into Pandhari. Keep your foot into Pandhari, you will get permanent happiness. That is what our Vittu is doing for us. Janmo janmi se dukkha visarashi. This is dukkha is not merely of this janma. It has come from many janma of human beings. In the other yonis there is no sukha dukkha. So only in the yoni of human beings that Lord Vithala has given us out of Lord of Karunya. He has given us this birth of a human being, and He must have given us this birth of human being many janma before also. That time the papa and punya are attached to our karma, is to all our karya or karmas. Papa and punya are attached. Other yonis there is no papa punya. But Namdev Maharaj is telling, Janmo janmi che dukkha visarashi. You will forget all the dukkha which has come to you, accumulated over a period of time, over many janma. Why? When the once you set your foot into Pandhari. Lotangana Galita Mahadwari. Chandrabhage. Before that, there is a beautiful Chandrabhaga flowing. Chandrabhage Karita Eka Snana. Once you have your snana over there in Chandrabhaga, to say dosha palati. Else run away from you all the dosha. He is giving us guarantee. These saints of us are giving us guarantee that all our dosha will run away from us. We will never be in the state of mind to commit any more sins at all. The moment we set our foot into Pandhari, take a snana at Chandrabhaga, and Lotangana Ghalita Mahadwari, the Mahadwara when we do the Lotangana Anga Pradashna, we just roll around and Kana Daruni Natse Garuda Pari. Garuda Pari is a place just before the main sanctum Ghabara. Garuda Pari, wherein all the saints, all the common people stand, hold their Kana and they Natse Vithala, 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 Vithala. They will dance and jump with joy. Nama Mane Upama Kaya Gavi. What other example do I have to give you all? I don't have to give you all any other example for the greatness of my Pandari, for the greatness of my Vithala. And such a Vittalachi alabala gyavi. Unka drishti kadna alabala. Such a lovely and cute mera Vitthal. And he is Karunya Murti. And he does Karuna for everybody. Uska drishti kadna hi padega. That's what Namdev Maharaj is telling in this beautiful hymn. सुखासाठी करशी तळमळ 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 तरी तू पंढरीशी जाई एक वेळ तरी तू पंढरीशी जाई एक वेळ मग तू अवघाची सुखरूप होशी मग तू अवघाची सुखरूप होशी मग तू अवघाची सुखरूप होशी जन्मोजन्मीचे दुःख विसराशी जन्मोजन्मीचे दुःख विसराशी जन्मोजन्मीचे 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 दुःख विसराशी मग तू अवघाची सुखरूप होशी मग तू अवघाची सुखरूप होशी मग तू अवघाची सुखरूप होशी चंद्रभागे करिता एक स्नान चंद्रभागे करिता एक स्नान चंद्रभागे करिता एक स्नान चंद्रभागे करिता एक स्नान तुझे दोष पडती रानुरान तुझे दोष पडती रानुरान तुझे दोष पडती रानुरान मग तू अवघाची सुखरूप होशी मग तू नाचे गरुड पारी, कान धरुनी नाचे गरुड पारी, मग तू अवघाची सुख रूप होशी, मग तू अवघाची सुख रूप होशी, मग तू अवघाची सुख रूप होशी, जन्मोजन्मीचे दुःख विसरशी, जन्मोजन्मीचे 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 दुःख विसरशी, मग तू अवघाची सुख रूप होशी, मग तू अवघाची सुख रूप होशी, मग तू अवघाची सुख रूप होशी. नामा म्हणे उपमा काय घ्यावी, नामा म्हणे उपमा काय घ्यावी, नामा म्हणे नामा म्हणे नामा म्हणे उपमा काय घ्यावी, नामा म्हणे उपमा काय घ्यावी, नामा म्हणे उपमा काय घ्यावी, उपमा काय घ्यावी, उपमा काय घ्यावी, माझा विठ्ठलाची आलाबाल घ्यावी, माझा विठ्ठलाची आलाबाल घ्यावी, माझा विठ्ठलाची माझा विठ्ठलाची ओ माझा विठ्ठलाची, माझा विठ्ठलाची ओ माझा विठ्ठलाची, माझा विठ्ठलाची ओ माझा विठ्ठलाची आलाबाल घ्यावी, मग तू अवघाची सुख रूप होशी, मग तू अवघाची सुख रूप होशी, मग तू अवघाची सुख रूप होशी, जन्मोजन्मीचे दुःख विसरशी, जन्मोजन्मीचे दुःख विसरशी, मग तू अवघाची सुख रूप होशी, मग तू अवघाची सुख रूप होशी, मग तू अवघाची मग तू अवघाची सुख रूप, मग तू अवघाची सुख रूप होशी, मग तू अवघाची सुख रूप, अवघाची सुख रूप, अवघाची सुख रूप होशी. After setting our foot into Pandhari, who is waiting for us in Pandharpur? It is none other than my Panduranga. He is waiting for us. The moment we set into Pandhari, all the sensory organs get activated, and here Eknath Maharaj has written a very beautiful abhang saying that each and every sensory organ has got a bhook, pashi or hunger. Arey, the saint is sounding ridiculous. How can a sensory organ like ear have hunger? How can nose have hunger? How can eyes have hunger? We have only heard about stomach. We are always hungry and we want to eat something or the other. But Eknath Maharaj beautifully says in this abhang that the moment we set our foot into Pandharpur, Doliyanse bhook harapali. It is harapali means ran away. It vanished. The bhook or the hunger of the eyes is to see good objects, to see the Lord beautifully decorated with flowers and and see that beautiful kite shape. That is, Lord Tukaram is telling, I want to see your, Santa Tukaram is telling, ki, oh Vithala, only this roop I want to see of yours. In Sundarate Dhyana, beautifully he is telling. So we all should look at this Lord Vithala through the eyes of Santa Tukaram and say and think that ki, all the other objects, materialistic objects, which give us pleasure to the eyes, they all give us only temporary pleasure. Suppose we are very much attached to a flower, pink color flower. Over a period of time, we get over it, this attachment. Same thing, you go on seeing the same thing again and again, we get bored. Similarly, if we are very much fond of eating a particular item, a particular sweet or something, one serving, two servings, three servings, after that, we reach a saturation point, we don't want anything more. Similarly, ears. When we go on listening to the modern music, there is no charm at all. For a few days, for a few moments, they give you happiness. We don't want to listen. Whereas, even tvacha, touch, we want to do the alingan of the Lord. Only that gives us permanent happiness. Doing the alingan of our own near and dear ones, you cannot go on lifelong do it. But here you can do it lifelong for our Vittal. Fragrance of a scent, of a perfume. For a few days, okay. After that, we get over it. But the fragrance of agarbatti or the fresh flowers adorned to our Vittal gives us permanent happiness. So each and every sensory organs have a bhook, pashi or hunger for the Lord, for all the forms of the Lord, the Lord in all his forms. Voliyanche bhuka harapale pahata Shri Vithala Mauli. That's what Eknath Maharaj is telling. Who gave us this Vittal? Pundalika. Did he come just like that in our midst? No. It was Pundalika who was instrumental in giving us Pundalike Barva Kele. He did a good job. What did he do? Parabrahma Ubhe Tele. He has made him stand over there in the Valavanta, and he Parabrahma Ubhe Tele. He has made him stand. And Vithala was so enamored by his devotion to his parents that he gives him a promise that I will wait here for you to be absolved of your duty to your parents. Yuge Atthavisa. And even now, Atthavisa Yuge Zali Adhyapina Baise Kali. He has not even sat down even once. He has been just standing for Vithala, having given him the promise. He has been just standing. Vithala has just been standing over there for Pundalika to be absolved of his duties towards his parents and take his darshan. Aisa Krupalu Dinansa, Aisa Dayalu Dinansa. Such is my Vittal. Eknath Maharaj is telling, such is my Vittal, who is a Krupalu for all the Dina. We are all Dina. Having money will not serve purpose in this world. You can be attacked by the corona or any other deadly diseases at any point of time. That time our dravya is of no use at all. It will not bring back our life. So here Eknath Maharaj is telling, oh, and Lagon, hold tightly to the lotus feet of the Lord. He is able to Bhava Sindhu Taripar. He will definitely see to it that when you are already put in the samsara sagara, you will be taken slowly ahead. That is, without much difficulty. Whatever karma we have to, what a bhogna hai, whatever we have to suffer because of our past karma, that's why we are born, we have to. But Vittal will see to it that its intensity is less because we are in his contemplation. Doliyanchi bukahara pali, Doliyanchi bukahara pali, Doliyanchi bukahara pali. पाहता शिवी माऊली, पाहता शिवी माऊली, पाहता शिवी माऊली, पुंडलिके परवे केले, पुंडलिके बरवे केले, पुंडलिके बरवे केले, पुंडलिके बरवे केले, परब्रह्म उभे टेले, परब्रह्म उभे टेले, परब्रह्म उभे टेले, परब्रह्म उभे टेले, पुंडलिके बरवे केले, पुंडलिके बरवे केले. अठ्ठावीस युगे झाली, अठ्ठावीस युगे झाली, अठ्ठावीस युगे झाली, अठ्ठावीस युगे झाली, अद्यापिन बैसे खाली, अद्यापिन बैसे खाली, पुंडलिके बरवे केले, पुंडलिके बरवे केले, पुंडलिके बरवे केले, पुंडलिके बरवे केले, परब्रह्म उभे टेले, परब्रह्म उभे टेले, पुंडलिके बरवे केले, पुंडलिके बरवे केले. उगाराही लातिष्ठत, उगाराही लातिष्ठत, उगाराही लातिष्ठत, उगाराही लातिष्ठत, आलियासी क्षेमा देता, आलियासी क्षेमा देता, पुंडलिके बरवे ऐसा दयाळू दिनाचा ऐसा दयाळू दिनाचा ऐसा कृपाळू दिनाचा ऐसा दयाळू दिनाचा ऐसा कृपाळू दिनाचा एका जनार्दनी साचा पुंडलिके बरवे केले पुंडलिके बरवे केले पुंडलिके बरवे केले परब्रह्म उभे ठेले पुंडलिके बरवे केले पुंडलिके बरवे केले पुंडलिके बरवे केले पुंडलिके बरवे केले पुंडलिके बरवे केले. Just now we saw how much Pundarika has done for us by making Vittal stand over there. You wait over there. 28 yuga. You wait. Tishtati. Uga rahila tishtata. Is simply standing without doing anything. Uga rahila tishtata. आलियांचा क्षेमदा. जो भी आ रहे हैं उनका दर्शन के लिए उनका क्षेम देती हूँ. Such is our Vittala. And in the Abhanga Rupa Pahata Lochani, Yaneshwar Maharaj tells us very clearly कि जिस भगवान को हम विठ्ठल के नाम से पुकारते हैं, he is only Krishna. तो हाँ विठ्ठल बरवा, तो हाँ माधव बरवा. And one of the beautiful abhangs, Eknath Maharaj has clearly told, Bhavaroga Aushadha Zana. We are all engulfed by deadly diseases. One of them is what is prevailing right now. In order to come out of this creates kalmasham in our minds. This creates disturbances in our minds. These disturbances cannot be overcome with any of the pharmaceutical medicines. For this, Bhavaroga Aushadha Zana. Understand. Eknath Maharaj is telling, understand. For the worldly disease, there is only one Aushadha. Aushadha means medicine. Nama Matra Narayana. Only one Aushadha we can take, we can consume. And that is Narayana Nama. Tene, because of which Nirase Bhavaroga will just vanish. Whatever we have to suffer because of our karma. But when we are in this contemplation and we are taking the Narayana Nama, consuming that medicine called as Narayana Nama, what will happen? We will attain peace. In spite of a lot of disturbances around us, we know ultimate truth is Lord Vitthal. We all have to reach back to his abode, Vaikuntha. The only way to do so is to be in his Nama. None of the materialistic things that we have accumulated in our life is going to come with me. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. We have to leave everything. Maze maduni vyartha gela. Maze. my son, my daughter, my grandson, my house, my car, my gold jewelry, nothing will come. Nama Matra Narayana. So, similarly, just as and Eknath Maharaj has clearly written that this Narayana Nama only is enough to uplift us and Uddharila. It will cleanse our Kula and Gotra. What we do will benefit each and every person associated with us, especially our Kula and Gotra, which is clearly seen in the case of Prahlada, born in the Asura Kula. He cleansed the entire Kula. His father Hiranyakshipu was a Rakshas, he was a demon, but he is imploring Krishna, Prahlada, ki please absolve him of all his sins. Krishna is telling him, the moment a child like you, a Hari Bhakta like you, is born in a family, that family ka udhar ho jata hai. Here today I am going to sing a very beautiful Purandardas Kirti. Gunavaitanna Bhavaroga. Ho gaya mera Bhavaroga. Whatever disease that I have contracted during this, because of this bhava or worldly disease. Worldly disease is not what we get like cholera or typhoid and all. It is which is affecting our mind, which is causing damage to our mind, which is stealing us of our peace of mind. Gunavaitanna Bhavaroga Krishna Namadennu Vaidyaru Dorakidanu. Dorakidanu means the moment I got a Vaidyar called as Lord Krishna, I have overcome my worldly diseases. Gunavaitanna Bhavaroga Gunavaitanna Bhavaroga. Gunavaitanna Bhavaroga Gunavaitanna Bhavaroga Gunavaitanna Bhavaroga Gunavaitanna Bhavaroga. Krishna Namanemba Vaidanu Dorakidanu. Krishna Namanemba Vaidanu Dorakidanu. Gunavaitanna Bhavaroga Gunavaitanna Bhavaroga. ಗುಣವಾಗುವವರಿಗೆ ಎಣಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಗುಣವಾಗುವವರಿಗೆ ಎಣಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಗುಣವಂತರಾಗುವರು ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ, ಗುಣವಂತರಾಗುವರು ಎಣಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಗುಣವಾಯ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ಅವರೋಗ, ಗುಣವಾಯ್ತೆಲ್ಲ संतत हरि भक्ति, संतत हरि भक्ति अपाना, संतत हरि भक्ति अपाना, संतत गुरु भक्ति मधुपाना, संतत हरि भक्ति अपाना, संतत गुरु भक्ति मधुपाना, संतत श्रवण कठिनोपात्य, संतत श्रवण कठिनोपात्य, कंतत कीर्तन उष्णोदक, संतत कीर्तन उष्णोदक, गुणवाय्तेन्न भवरोगा, गुणवाय्तेन्न भवरोगा. ಕೃಷ್ಣನಾಮನೆಂಬ ವೈದ್ಯನು ದೊರಕಿದನು, ಕೃಷ್ಣನಾಮನೆಂಬ ವೈದ್ಯನು ದೊರಕಿದನು, ಗುಣವಾಯ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ಭವರೋಗ. ಸಹಸ್ರನಾಮಾದಿ ತಾವಂದ್ಯ, ಸರ್ವ ಸರ್ವತಮ ತಾವದ್ಯ, ಸಹಸ್ರನಾಮಾದಿ ತಾವಂದ್ಯ, ಸರ್ವ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ತಾವದ್ಯ, ಹರಿ ಸರ್ವೋತ್ತಮ ನಂಬ ವೈದ್ಯ, ಹರಿ ಸರ್ವೋತ್ತಮ ನಂಬ ವೈದ್ಯ, ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನೇ ನಿರವಾದ್ಯ, ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನೇ ನಮ ವೈದ್ಯ, ಗುಣವೈತಲ್ಲ ರೋಗ, ಗುಣವಾಯ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ಪವರೋಗ. ಕೃಷ್ಣನಾಮನೆಂಬ ವೈದ್ಯನು ದೊರಕಿದನು, ಕೃಷ್ಣನಾಮನೆಂಬ ವೈದ್ಯನು ದೊರಕಿದನು, ಗುಣವಾಯ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ಪವರೋಗ. ಗುಣವಾಗುವವರಿಗೆ ಎಣಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಗುಣವಾಗುವವರಿಗೆ ಎಣಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಗುಣವಂತರಾಗುವರು ಬವರಿಲ್ಲ, ಗುಣವಂತರಾಗುವರು ಬವರಿಲ್ಲ, ಗುಣವಾಯ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ಪವರೋಗ, ಗುಣವಾಯ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ಪವರೋಗ, ಗುಣವಾಯ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ಪವರೋಗ, ಪವರೋಗ, ಪವರೋಗ. Next come to a very beautiful abang written by Sant Tukaram, who says, Vitthala, I am Oh Vitthala, I am the patanga and the dhaga is in your hand. The dhaga, dori is in your hand. This patanga, Sharira Rupi patanga. How is it made? Panchatattva. It Panchatattva se kagada. Normally the patanga or the kite is made up of kagada or the paper. This kagada is made up of Panchatattva. And the dhaga, that is the dhaga is none other than Nisarga. It is made up of the Nisarga or the nature. Nature forms the it is a nature which is controlling this. Daga is made up of the nature. And Vithala is telling next ki char Veda se vara suthala. How is it going in the air? This air is made up of all the 4 Vedas, and Utska Adhara is a Sahashastra. 6 Shastras form the Adhara for the kite to fight. Kite means this body, Sharira Rupi kite, to be in the samsara. He is telling Santatukaram Krishna Vithala, you become the dory. Dory is in your hands. Last he is telling ki Tukamane me zala patanga. I have no individuality at all. Me, मैं, कुछ नहीं. I am the patanga. And I am the patanga in your hands. You take me the way you want, you keep me. That's it. I don't aspire for anything else. Panduranga, 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 Panduranga. पतंग तुझ्या हाती धागा, मी पतंग तुझ्या हाती धागा. पांडुरंग 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 पांडुरंग. पंचतत्वाचा कागद केला, पंचतत्वाचा कागद केला, पंचतत्वाचा कागद केला, पंचतत्वाचा कागद केला. धागा निसर्गाचा झाला, धागा निसर्गाचा झाला, पंचतत्वाचा कागद केला, धागा निसर्गाचा झाला. पांडुरंग 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 पांडुरंग. मी पतंग तुझ्या हाती धागा, मी पतंग तुझ्या हाती धागा, मी पतंग तुझ्या हाती धागा. पांडुरंग 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 पांडुरंग. चारी वेदाचा आधार त्याला, चारी वेदाचा आधार त्याला, चारी वेदाचा वारा सुटला, चारी वेदाचा वारा सुटला. साई शास्त्राचा आधार त्याला, साई शास्त्राचा आधार त्याला, चारी वेदाचा वारा सुटला, साई शास्त्राचा आधार त्याला. पांडुरंग 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 धागा आवरा पांडुरंगा, धागा आवरा पांडुरंगा, तुका म्हणे मी झाला पतंगा, धागा आवरा पांडुरंगा, पांडुरंग पांडुरंग पांडुरंग, पांडुरंग पांडुरंग पांडुरंग, मी पतंग तुझ्याती धागा, मी पतंग तुझ्याती धागा, मी पतंग तुझ्याती धागा, पांडुरंग 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 पांडुरंग, 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 पांडुरंग 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 पांडुरंग. Friends, we come to the Vishwa Prarthana Pasayadan for praying for the entire universe, for each and everybody known or unknown to us suffering today. Let them all get well soon. So this is the Pasayadan by Jnaneshwar Maharaj, who prayed not only for himself, he never prayed for himself, he prayed for everybody in this world, and that is why he is called as Mauli. हता विश्वात्मके देवे, येणे वागयज्ञे तोषावे, तोषो निमज द्यावे पसायदान हे, जे कळांची व्यंकटी सांडो, तया सत्कर्मी प्रतिवाडो, भूता परस्परे पडो, मैत्र जीवांचे दुरितांचे तिमिर जावो, विश्व स्वधर्म सूर्य पावो, जो जे वांचिल तो ते लावो, प्राणी जात वर्षत सकळ मंगळी, ईश्वर निष्ठांची मांदियाळी, अनवर्थ भूमंडळी, बेटतू भूता, सला कल्पतरूंचे आरव, चेतना चिंतामणींचे गाव, बोलते जे अर्णव पियुषांचे, चंद्रवे जे अलांचन, मार्तंड जे तापहीन, ते सर्वही सदा सज्जन, सोय रे गोतो किंबहुन सर्वसुखी, पूर्ण होऊनी तिही लोकी, भजिजो आदि पुरुकी, अखंडित आणि ग्रंथोपजीविये, विशेषी लोगईये, दृष्टा दृष्ट विजये, ओ आवेजी एतमणे श्री विश्वेश्वरावो, होईला धान पसावो, येणे वरे ज्ञान देवो, सुखिया झाला, सुखिया झाला, सुखिया झाला, पुढती 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 या ग्रंथ पुण्य संपत्ती, सर्व सुखी सर्वभूती संपूर्ण होईजे, संपूर्ण होईजे, संपूर्ण होईजे. पुंडलिकावरदे हरी विठ्ठले, श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। माऊली श्री ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज की जय। जगद्गुरु तुकाराम महाराज की जय। सर्व संतनों की जय, सर्व साधुओं की जय। पांडुरंग हरि वासुदेव हरि, पांडुरंग हरि वासुदेव हरि। विठ्ठल 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 I once again thank Daniel for giving me this beautiful opportunity to perform on the day of Ekadashi, and he has promised me that every Ekadashi will be filled with prayer for the people who are suffering due to the loss of their near and dear ones, or people whom they know are undergoing some problem. Thank you, Daniel. Ram Krishna Hare.